Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on starting a stopwatch on Huawei smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the side button to open up the app menu, then scroll down to and tap Stopwatch. Tap the play button to start the stopwatch. You can tap the button at the top to record a lap or split. Tap the pause button to pause the stopwatch. When the stopwatch is paused, you can tap the reset button at the top to reset the stopwatch. You can also start a stopwatch from the quick panel. To do this, swipe down from the top of the home screen to open the quick panel. Scroll up the quick panel and tap the stopwatch icon. Here you can use the stopwatch like before. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei watch tips and tricks.